first get your bike onto the main stand and then switch it on. Now with the chain cleaning part, simply place the chain cleaner at least 10 centimeters away from the chain, and as you see, spray it up. Now switch off the bike, put it back to neutral and wait for approximately 5 minutes. See, it is raining already. It's nice to be out here in a slight rain when the whole day was actually kind of hot. Yeah, it feels nice. Now this part is not necessary for the people who use the sprays for cleaning and the lubing, but I personally prefer to clean the chain by using a cloth after the spray for approximately 10 seconds. Gives me extra surety that the chain is super clean. So that's it for the cleaning and the lubing process. Now I'm just enjoying the wind and the little bit of rain jitna bhi aa raha hai, enjoy what you get and how much you get. अब हमारा टेस्ट राइड का टाइम है. चलो, signing off. Okay, so now we're on the test run. I can clearly feel the difference in the chain smoothness. It has smoothened a lot, and the sound that used to come before the cleaning is now less, very less. The thing is that many people think that the chain sprays and the loops are not much important, but actually they come under the category of, what do you call it, health of the bike. If you want your bike to be healthy, then you have to do some of the essential things which do not come or show the effect right away. Just like this cleaning process, people think that this is overrated, the sprays are overrated, but they actually are not. They're very useful. You will know about it when you ride every day and feel the difference, every small bit of the difference of your bike's performance. That's how you calculate how your bike is going good and bad in its health condition basically.